The federal government. At the very top is the federal government, the national authority that governs the entire United States from Washington, D.C. This level handles the biggest responsibilities, things that affect the whole country rather than just one region. It controls national defense, meaning the military and protection of the country, as well as foreign policy, which includes relationships and agreements with other nations. It also oversees immigration, citizenship, and the national economy, including printing money and regulating trade. The federal government is powerful, but it is not a single body. It is divided into three branches to prevent abuse of power. The legislative branch makes laws. The executive branch, led by the president, enforces those laws, and the judicial branch interprets them and ensures they follow the Constitution. This level creates unity across all states, but it does not control everything, which is why the next level exists. State governments. Below the federal government are the state governments, and this is where things become more localized. The United States is made up of 50 states, and each one operates with its own government, its own constitution, and its own set of laws. State governments are responsible for areas that directly affect large groups of people within their borders. They manage education systems, including schools and universities, enforce state laws, oversee public health systems, and maintain infrastructure like roads and transportation within the state. This is why laws can differ depending on where you are. Something legal in one state might be restricted in another. Each state has its own leadership structure, including a governor who acts like a state-level president, a legislature that makes laws, and courts that interpret them. State governments act as a middle layer, balancing national authority with local needs, but even they are not the closest level to everyday life. Local governments. At the base of the system are local governments, the level closest to the people and the one that impacts daily life the most. This includes cities, counties, and towns, and their responsibilities are very practical and immediate. Local governments handle services like police and fire departments, public school administration, road maintenance, traffic systems, and waste collection. These are the systems you interact with every day, often without realizing it. If a road is damaged, a street light is out, or waste isn't collected, it is the local government that steps in. Leadership at this level includes mayors, city councils, and other local officials who focus on community needs. Unlike the federal government, which deals with national and global issues, local governments are focused entirely on improving daily life within their communities.